Hobbies for Him is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and so many people are always asking about things for him. So this is the perfect one. Now this has 102 foiled die cuts, 8 foiled A4 cardstock, and 8 printed, as well as an idea sheet. Now there are several things in this collection, so I'm just going to start with this one, but wait till you see everything else. So here's the idea sheet. It's got one side, but you've got 9 samples to go for. And let me show you what's included. There are these are the toppers. They are foiled, as you would imagine, and you can see just lots of variety of things, from a walk in the park, bicycling, gardening. You've got borders, you've got greetings, so that's really nice. Now you're going to get 2 of every single thing I'm going to show you. So that's the first, and as you would expect, there is an adorable scoreable cardstock that is foiled that matches, as well as one that is printed that matches. Okay, the next collection is going to go with racing, as well as cars, as well as trains. May this be your best year ever. Racing by, just to say happy birthday. And here is the foiled cardstock. You can see that. And here is the printed with the train. Now this is fishing, golf, soccer, all kinds of things. Again, borders, greetings. I love the fact that they're nested, so you get a solid gold. In fact, you get one with blue and one with solid gold foil. Very pretty. And here is the foiled sheet. And if you've got a golfer, this is just perfect. If you don't, you know, most of it is still highly usable, so that's nice. And then here is the printed with that fisherman. Same idea. This one is going with music, as well as just relaxing and more relaxing, maybe doing some music, as well as maybe some pool. Again, the greetings are there. Here is the foiled cardstock, and here is the printed. So again, you're going to get 2 of each one. Now to coordinate with this, there are several other things, and this is one. This is the perfect picture. This is an 8x8 pad, and there are 48 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs, and you get 4 sheets of each one. So let me show you. And you're going to see larger imagery of what we just saw. We can get in just a tad closer so that you can see. The nice thing about this, in addition to the fact that there are 4 of each sheet, is that you get larger pieces as well as smaller ones, and you get some information also. That's just kind of fun to add. These are single-sided. Oh, no, they're double-sided. Well, that's a bonus. Okay, so here we have mountain biking, or just racing, whatever you want, or just a stroll on your bike. Here we have pool and music, and there's the back of it. We've got travel and power. That's certainly true of trains. And this is the golf, and you can see the backside. So the same idea. If you don't have a golfer, if you do, that's great. If you don't, you can use the back sides. You can use the back sides even if you do have a golfer. Here we have green fingers. That's fun. And the back of it, we've got time, dog walking. That's really nice. Football origins. Now it looks like soccer to me, but you know, this comes from England, so they have different terminology. Sing out loud. That's fun. And we've got being social. Whoops, and there's the item number. And here is cars. And here is the fishing. So very, very nice. So as you can see, quite a variety for the men in our lives, and some really nice background papers. Now, the next set that we have is the inserts. And the inserts, there are 36 sheets. You're going to get 3 each of 12 designs. And I'm going to turn them on the side so you can see them a little easier. So again, it's the same imagery, but it's ghosted back. So they're called inserts because they're often used on the inside of the cards. But if you've watched our webisodes, you know that these are sometimes used on the front of the cards too, and they can just make your die cuts go even farther. So there's our fisherman. Whoops. And here we have this, as well as the car. Got the sports. So kind of something for everyone. I think you'll find lots of uses for this collection. Okay, That is the inserts. Now, we're going to go to the Adorable Scorable. And as you know, these generally have 30 sheets. There are 10 colors, and you get 3 of each. So let me just show you those 10 colors. And you can count and make sure I get them all out there. There you go, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so you can see quite that variety. These are the Adorable Scorable, so it's a very heavyweight cardstock, and they are printed on one side and just do a really nice job. Now, something that's really kind of special is this. This is called Merry Card. It really means Merry Cardstock. It's called Oxidized Metals, and let me show you what they look like. You're going to get 10 sheets, 3 of each design, and these are gorgeous. So let me show you. You have a green set, and the Merry, M-I-R-R-I, is this highly reflective color, so that's really nice. And you get a blue collection, really pretty. And you also get, as I'm flipping through here, the brown, that oxidized that was on the front. Oh, so gorgeous. So as I said, 10 sheets, each of 3 designs. So those were the 3. The blue, the green, and the brown is gorgeous. And I do need to tell you that when Hunkydory produces a product line, they only do it once. So what we have in inventory is all that we're going to get. So it's important to know. Again, these are A4 size. Our last item in this collection is the Build a Shed. I'm sure you've heard the term her shed, a she shed, his shed. Well, now you've got the cutting dies to do it. There are 38 pieces in this collection. You get a glance at what it is. So there's the shed itself. This is just an image of it put together. You've got gardening equipment. You've got bicycle. You've got a sewing machine. Just so many things. Wheelbarrow, an easel, and there is the size of the dies. So they're just really nice. And let me see. That shed is going to measure almost 3 inches by the time it's all put together, almost 4 inches. So that will give you an idea of what that is, and then all the pieces will coordinate. Very fun to do. So our Hobbies for him also goes into Hobbies for her. We've got this gorgeous Oxidized Metals cardstock, the regular Adorable Scorable, the inserts, the perfect 8x8 papers, and also the Hobbies for him. But you know what? There is one more thing, and let me bring that in. And this is a card set that is one style. And let me bring this in. You see all my Post-its? This is a Twisted Easel card kit. And there is the insert on it. You're going to make 8 Twisted Easel cards. Now, there's going to be 4 designs. You can make 2 of each. And I think a Twisted Easel, in fact, I think this Imagery photo will give you a good idea. And let me show you what's in the kit. There are instructions. They're right here. Now, a Twisted Easel, it's flat when you get it. This is about 4 inches square. And then when you lift it, it's going to twist. And it's an easel, so it rests on a foam taped piece that's on the inside of the card. Okay, you got all that? Now, let me show you the imagery. So you get the blank card, you get that scored area, and then you get pieces to put on it. Well, this could be on the inside of it, and this can be layered to go on the top of it to make that easel twist. You also get borders as well as greetings, all beautifully done. And again, you're going to get 2 of these. And you're going to get 2 of these in blue with the sports. Now, if this particular image does or doesn't work for you, if it doesn't work for you, you can use something else to go in there. Perhaps a Dazzles or a word cutting die. That's going to work fine too. So you really can still use all of this. Here is the train, just oh so beautiful. Look how rich that foiling is. And the last one is just the relaxing. So very, very nice. Again, you're going to get 2 of each. And this is the concept card, Twisted Easel. This is part of the Hobbies for him, that wonderful collection from our friends at Hunkydory.